See them, RMD, they'll do the advert. Did you misplace your phone? Or did you forget your phone at home? Just climb on top any high pedestal and speak to the Glow network. Just say star 555 star your phone number star delete whatever you want to delete. Glow Unlimited. Now that time you go see men, they drive like this, they traffic, They remember I said their wife, they house, they all check, hey, my phone. They all pack, come down, climb on top motor. People go, they hold no people, they don't go, star 555 star 080 5000 5000 star delete Bobby picture now. You call here the network. Please repeat the request. Oh God, star 555 star 080 5000 5000 star delete Bobby picture now. The file you're trying to delete is currently in use. Hey! Star 555 star 080 5000 5000 star crash my phone now. What is this one called? It's a pussycat. Good. So you call it pussy, Say yes. Do you like pussy? Say I like pussy. Say I love pussy. I love pussy. Take pussy. Play with pussy. If you are tired, eat pussy, Now my own.
He's a gentleman. You know him as the man on fire. Bini, make some noise for Bobby in the building.
Alpha, what did happen? Una menu, Bini, Masi una way, una too much. Who be that? Alpha now. So una be like bats for that place. Una not go meeting today. Una come watch show. You dey wait for me. Thunder. Oh boy. You know it's you. See, I don't dey listen from backstage since. Now only new song una dey sing. Now this Bini dey bomb me. Una don't forget all the old song, all the nursery rhyme. Una know them. You know them. Una know old school nursery rhyme. Because only new song una dey sing since this show start. Who know new money? New money. I buy Gary. I give Mary. Mary Kukan. I beat Mary. I kill Mary. Which kind Mary? Amina. A lazy girl. In your Amina used to say. Oh. Yaga rogo, yaga rogo. Oh baby. Waiting be that. Una not know that one. Who met Sam? Ojo say. Teacher say. Blow boss. Another day. Buy rice. Hey. 2 forces. I really waka waka. Not because I kiss your baby. So if you say one, so una loca, una touch ground finish, mona clap una too much. All this level, I see one girl last year, Bini girl, she come and see me, they say, hi, how you doing? I say, you, it's okay. They package for me. Who they play for streets for Mark Benicaro those days? Upper Loco. Go check. Ask of me there. I rain. If not be say I pack by now for don't be your door worry. I they tell you. But it's good because those days guests not the package. Now our guests una the package. Now the package sometimes una the over package. Now because of we una they wear makeup. Oh. You go do makeup, do this eyelash. Rain beat one girl, the other day do eyelash like this. The eyelash be like zinc. What I call the fall from eyelash. The way una take uma makeup, it too serious. That me personally, the only time I dey quarrel with my wife now when she dey do makeup because she know the feel answer back. I go, they talk my mind. Well, you are stupid. This thing they do not make sense. This wait for her. I'm coming. Your pass they talk my mind. Pfft. Take off. The one with the rain now. I don't know whether I don't reach here. Guess though they do Bobby and that they do here. Huh? When I get mind, you know say man off you try those things. Get go, you say I did boob job. You don't ever see any man boast say man I do penis job. How? They'll just cut their body open, put one nylon of water, put one here, swam, put one swam, put here, so. Do you carry pure water? They waka. Serious, you see guys where they what? I'm not by saying no, it's me that bust. Now what did they happen? And they usually tell girls, no, they do like Oyibo people for some things, but not be everything we could copy. When Oyibo girl like you, you know they talk too much. Now I go your meet like this, Bluetooth connection. You not go even talk, you don't they kiss. Una. Person go toast you 6 months. The first day when you say, what's going on here? Stop. You are not my type. Which type can be your type? I don't see where guy invite babe from Benin, enter Lagos. Babe, we do the toast for 6 months straight. She enter Lagos, finish. Guy, so this one where she come, maybe she want green. Go shopping. From shopping, they go chop. From chop, they go watch film. From film, go club. Around 12 midnight, they reach hotel. And the guy say, where's my room? Guy say, Say, where's my room? Say, my room or our room. When I dey buy for you, you not say, where's my pillow? Now, where's my room? You get one this way they rain for Instagram now. Hallelujah challenge. Una don hear? You carry babe reach hotel 12 midnight. She can say hold on, hallelujah challenge for 1 hour. Where's my room? If some girls threaten you, and you know Benin girls, now they threaten pass. Yes, they know they hide though. Go follow you reach the room. She go bath. She go even wear your shirt. Then as you want touch her, she go look at. So you want to do. So if I give you, you go collect. The guy go call, they look, say, which level? No, so if I give you, you collect. Any man I sleep with, he will not make it in life. Oh. Man, where he body don't on. They say, don't worry, I've made it already. No need to argue. One guy threatened my guy the other day, say, just listen to the story and be blessed. Say, if I sleep with you, I will just block your number. I will not reply your text messages. I will not pick your call. You will not be able to reach me. Yana. That one I threaten. That a lottery. Chop and go. The one where they annoy me pass, now guess where go give you hope. The day where you don't toast, the day, the night, you go start to kiss. She let you. You know, say you the shock. Say, She let me. Your mind go call they hurry you. Comot shirt, comot shirt, comot shirt. As you dey comot her church, you open her eye, you comot your hand. Make she not go vex. You comot shirt. Comot bra, you comot bra. Comot skirt, you comot skirt. Remain pants. As you touch the pants, she go say, hey, what's going on here? With the pant yam. That's what's going on. One guy threatened my guy the other day. Say, what's going on? The guy look and say, where you dey while they pull your shirt, your bra? Wait. No. Explain. Now when she got threatened and said, look, I feel violated right now. Just explain. How did we get here? The guy said, She said, how did we get here? And the guy wearing bossa back now. I say, once upon a time, I be the toast to you, be not agree, but today as I rise you, you follow. I kiss, you kiss back. Now we start to lick spit. I pull shirt, you not talk. Pull bra, you not talk. Pull skirt, you not talk. Don't know whether they your pants will give you signal. As I touch them, now you shout, how did we get here? That's how we got here. Can we continue? Threatening. But the funny part be say, our guests now, on adult too, they open eye like Oyibo guests. Not be everything they do. We go do and copy some. Even they copy us too, but the ones where you copy, some not be our style. Number one, my wife tell me the other day, say, baby, let's do role play. I said, what it be that? She said to spice up our sex life. I said, She said to spice up our sex life. I said, yeah, go bring curry and time. Since she said, serious, Joe, let's spice up our sex life. Let's do role play. I said, what it be role play? She said, I will be police. I will come and arrest you. You will be a Yahoo boy. I said, oh yeah, now that one not hard. She said, but we have to buy uniform. I said, which uniform? She said, police uniform. For fuck? She said, yes. How much? She said, 60,000 naira. For fuck? Say yes. Okay. I want to give her 60,000. She said, that's not all. We have to buy handcuff. 15,000. Walkie-talkie, 15,000. Everything, how much? 90,000. For fuck. You why don't pay your bride price? She say, I saw you buy. May not be like say, she buy, she re-wear the uniform. Say, man, they laptop. I say, I got their laptop now. And she bust up, pooh. Nigerian police, you're under arrest. Come pin me during the chair. And they do me like this. Know me. Cause they come out the uniform. He can't really do me like real police woman, you know. I reach border, I cross. As I've one relax, she say, don't you see how interesting? The next one we will do, I will be nurse. You will be patient. I say, wait, this uniform don't work in money finish. She say, yes. Now I say, no. Take and say I escape. You can't arrest me again. She say, after the second time, anytime you see me, you will know. I said, then you join CID, plainclothes police. You wear your normal clothes, come. She said, what of after that one? I said, after that one, we'll do Adam and Eve. No need to wear clothes. The only thing we'll buy an apple. You give me apple shop, I give you apple shop. Abi? Yes, now. Don't they spend money like that? That's now number one. Number two thing, if our guests know the verse now, because of all this Oyibo film they watch, when they do like a Kardashian and them. You know, say when Oyibo woman vex, she they tell her husband, leave the room, go and sleep on the couch. Mona not doing, we don't even know where the couch. It's not in our DNA. My wife chop over feeding one, they say, Bobby, you know what? Leave the room, go and sleep on the couch. I say, where be that? Say, the long chair. I say, why? The bed spoil? Say, no. Can't you tell I'm angry? You are not sleeping on this bed. My bed? Bed where my carpenter do? She say, okay, if that's the case, then leave the house. You don't say that's what people do. Then they drive from house. Oh. Oyibo woman tell you leave the house. If you not come on, police go rise you. And because my wife don't did that thing, she just come forget where I pay a bright price. Say no, leave the house. I say, man, leave this house. She said, leave this house. I can't go outside. Go look the street. Look the house. Call my landlord. I say, anybody pay my rent? Say no. Now my own still there. Say, now come back. She said, you came back. You are not leaving the house. I can say, yeah. Calm down. I explain. Like say you don't forget. Here, not be so we they do. Here when we quarrel, now the woman they pack. And when she vex pack, she not fit just come back like that. She will go tell her people, and her people will talk to my people. Then my people and her people will come and talk to me and beg me for what I did to you. So when you want vex, go think twice. That's so I be. May they leave that one for us. We never mature reach that level. Nevertheless, to avoid problem at home, I advise guys, there are certain things you must never do, whether you be bad guy or good guy. Number one, not they leave things for your phone because you feel say you get password. Woman will love you. If she want crack that phone, give her 2 days. If she try not they work, take that phone, put for breast, shake am, the phone go open. Don't leave anything on your phone. The only time when we supposed start to leave things for phone now when like Glow now can come up with automatic voice delete service. When you see them RMD they'll do the advert. Did you misplace your phone? Or did you forget your phone at home? Just climb on top any high pedestal and speak to the Glow network. Just say *555* your phone number delete whatever you want to delete. Glow Unlimited. Now that's how you go see men they drive like this, they traffic. They remember say their wife they house. They all check. Hey, my phone. They all pack, come down, climb on top motor. People go they hold no people they don't *555* 0805000 delete Bobby picture now. You call here the network. Please repeat the request. Oh God, *555* 0805000 delete Bobby picture now. The file you're trying to delete is currently in use. Hey! *555* 0805000 crash my phone now. One time, go crash them. Until that time reach, not leave anything for your phone. Number two, the one way guys they fall for pass. Never share Wi-Fi or hotspot. Una they use them, abi? If you be bad guy, not share that thing with your woman. You just dey fool yourself. She get internet. She just like get that password. You know, say once you give person the password, they don't need the password any day again. Any day they near you, the two phone go connect. She go see the signal for her phone. So I dey sorry for those men where they form, baby, I'm traveling. They'll call form like say you don't travel. Sharp woman, she don't enter car, they drive. Hold the phone like this, they pass all the better joints. Go hotel. She just pass hotel. She ping, then she say the idiot there. She don't enter. She go they move from room to room for corridor until the signal full. She'll knock the door. Ko. You'll say now winch, not be winch. Now password where you share. Number three, never lie about your location. You get one question where women they ask, where are you? Once you hear that question, don't say they don't see you. Not even turn. She go say stop turning. Just say where are you? Una remember 9/11 for America where the Twin Towers fall. One man life for morning giving wife say they go walk, he go a babe place. So he did a babe place they enjoy. He not even know say terrorists don't strike. And in office they one of those buildings. The wife they watch TV like she they cry for her mind. Her husband don't die. The two BD don't fall. And so she take phone. The guy called pick. He say, hello baby. She say, where are you? He say, I'm in the office. Now so that marriage end though. But you see that na Oyibo men, Niger men, Niger man now you the cash like this. Even when you hold on like this, not blink. Oh. As you blink, ping, ping, it don't go. Niger man minded that situation. The babes in wife say, "Where are you?" Say, "I'm in the office." You are sure you are in the office? Go say, "Yes, you are in the office." You go say, "Stop asking me." Even my oga they look me now for board meeting because I love you. Now make her pick this call. She go say on TV. As the guy on TV, bah, she say the bidding don't fall. Go say, I not tell you say they transfer me. I know they work there again. I they tell you. Never lie with aeroplane. You know some people go say, "We're about to take off. I need to switch off my phone." Whereas you did guest stars, not like that lie. You remember that Malaysia plane till today? They not see him. They not know where it crashed. Nothing. One Nigerian man used that plane lie. Yo. Till today never fit go house. I want to tell us say he survived. Okay, go show us where the plane did. Then never beat your woman. This will not be joke. Not beat woman. Some women they provoke. Oh, give me today. Give me today. Shout for window. Mona, come on. Not shout say that they beat me because everybody go laugh. Just shout say I go kill them. Oh, they'll break the door. Come rescue. Don't hit a woman. The only time where you get right to hit woman now if na man and man relationship, kill yourself. When I feel blow die that time, and they pray make they set law. Say, you know, say everything don't be computer now. Make they just do law. Say they'll put chip for person body. Say you hit a woman, your girlfriend or your wife, you hit them or you abuse them. Just abuse. One abuse like this. 1 million naira don't come out from your account. And you see where men they behave. You know the first week, you're not going to remember. From Korea, they say, "Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad?" You just get a lot. Bing, 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 bing. 3 million don't go. That time you call the nobody go tell you now. Now head you take the quarrel that time. Because you go shout. And some men they go forget halfway, but trust Benjamin. You know, women. And at that time you know say woman feel insult you without using insultive word. She go just look and say, "You na man." So they burn you too. You can't provoke. Are you mad? Read to me, or you are married to your family. Go change them. Any which way. Survive. So no need for violence. That getting what I talk of just there, not be joke. Thank God say that you know they grow here. Oyibo people don't crease. I put my son for school for Yankee last year. After 7 months, only me. What time? Yes, because they don't teach them for school. My son is 7 years old. They just call me. "Is this Mr. Bobby?" I say, "Yes, please come. Your son is in trouble." Hey, I reach school. I see my son and his best friend, white boy, John. John Papa did it. The principal, they tell John Papa, say, "We found out that John likes boys. He likes to paint his nails. He likes to wear lipstick. And we saw him kissing 3 boys. So we want you to encourage him to discover his real self." I look my son. My son put his head down. I say, "Hey." And they tell the man. And the man come face his son. Say, "John, you gay? Why didn't you tell me? Okay, I'm going to buy you female clothes, okay?" Boy say, "Thank you, Daddy. Who did you tell you gay?" Say, "I told David." Point my son. I look my son put head down. I say, "Okay." And they say, "Mr. Bobby," as I was carried there, I say, "I want to withdraw." They say, "No, calm down. Let's tell you what your son." I say, "I want to withdraw. Just hear what your son did." I say, "At the year, we caught your son in the toilet. He was kissing a girl." I say, "Eh?" So we caught him kissing a girl. In fact, that was the 3rd girl we caught him kissing. I say, "Kiss." They say, so we want to advise you. I said, don't worry. Carry my son, go corner and say, listen, on the right path, but slow down. See this road you with the travel, so don't branch. Maintain it, eh? Say, Daddy, you are not angry. I say, but from that day, I don't make up my mind, say, I must program them, because everything are programming. Other people, they wear bomb for body, now programming. Now, waiting they don't tell them, waiting they don't see. Even some gay people, now programming. Oh, this boy, they do like gay. You call they encourage them. He go call they imagine himself like gay. And that day, I first say, I program my son. So I want to tell him things we go make him maintain that lane. As we close from school that day, I go buy cats. I say, what is this? He say, it's a cat. I say, no, that's the father's name. In the animal kingdom, they are one family. Their father's name is cat. There is lion cat, tiger cat, leopard cat. What is this one called? It's a pussy cat. Good. So you call it pussy, eh? Say yes. Do you like pussy? Say, I like pussy. Say, I love pussy. I love pussy. Take pussy. Play with pussy. If you are tired, eat pussy, eh? Now my own. I not stop there. My daughter, now only don baby I buy before, eh? I go buy teddy bear, one big one, one small one. I come and say teddy bear for you. Say thank you. I say hold on. We have to give your teddy bear name. I open dictionary of name. Check am e dey there. Say English name. A B C D D D. I say Dick. We'll name them Dick. Okay. So this is big Dick and small Dick. Which one do you love? I love big Dick. Take big Dick. Play with big Dick, eh? If you want to eat big Dick, eat big Dick. And on my own, now the way I want to program their mind, not blame me. The world don't craze. Lastly, I dey tell guys, if you know, say you get mumu button, not the sharp mouth. You see some guys a sharp mouth, say my girl, for what? Why she go behave like that? Now mouth you dey. All these men, you want break up, for example, break up on phone, not go meet am. Mercy Johnson, Okoje, Mercy. I better bring Mercy for Mercy. Come, give me chair. Mercy Johnson, Okoje, no verse. Lay you 1 and 3. See now, 3 in 1. Your husband a man, full-time polygamy. Your husband is cheating on you with you and you. Okay. So now the level be say, I won't come tell you, say I want break up because my men, they code me. They tell me something, say, man, they see you for club, they groove with one guy when I travel. Guy pop champagne. Anything I ask you, no answer, just they push me, say, who told you? When I fall enter the chair, you come touch my ear. And the ear be the mumu button. Not worry, not the real mumu button be this. Mojo use this one. Not the check. Just use my ear. So push me until I enter the chair. Okay? Enjoy yourself. Oh. Seductively, oh. You know they push me seductively. Rub my chest. Push me. Tell me. Say you see my baby for God. Say, but man, not talk, say now you tell me, oh, before you tell me the truth. How far now?
Bobby, man, I see your girl for club yesterday. She just did with like one man. She just did rob the man. Man just did rob her. You know?
My girl?
Yes, Messi. But no tell her, say that me tell you.
No, lie, Lambo, me. I can't expose you to Lambo. Forget. No, forget. I'll be your G now. Don't worry. I come house now. Mercy. I want to ask you one thing. I want to ask you straight. Just talk true. You go club, go the groove with some guys, we pop champagne for you, yes or no?
Who told you?
That is not the issue. That is not the issue. Forget who told me. You go club, go the groove. Were you grooving in my absence with another man?
Who told you?
Listen, this relationship is ending. You hear me? Just answer yes or no, because now go a day.
Who told you?
I don't care what you do. All I know is that you went to the club to be grooving, and I cannot tolerate.
Who told you?
This life, when they tell me I did that, I say, can't girls just have fun? They know whether I me send them.
Who told you?
Who
told you?
See, the truth is, you know, say Lambo not the ever mind our business. But I not believe. Baby, come, let me go and explain to you inside what really happened. Bini, thank you. Good night. God bless you.